Sigmund Freud, the father of modern Western psychotherapy, created the id, the ego, and the superego to help us understand what he thought of as the three basic parts of our nature. His concepts were great for insight, but they didn't have much practical application. I've identified three more action-oriented parts. I call them balancer, rebalancer, and unbalancer. They're very similar to the three characters in the world's shortest play. The world's shortest play requires only one actor who plays all three parts: the villain, the damsel in distress, and the hero. The only prop is a white table napkin or serviette. The world's shortest play began as a vaudeville routine from early in the 20th century. It got popular again in the 1960s because of a cartoon series called Dudley Do-Right and the Mounties. I used to watch that show with my baby brother Paul. Paul is now a highly respected veterinary surgeon. The hero, Dudley Do-Right, is a Royal Canadian Mountie. He means well, though he isn't very smart. The woman he loves, Nell Fenwick, is his commander's daughter. She's a plucky, independent young woman, but she's often endangered by the villain, Snidely Whiplash. The play goes like this.
You must pay the rent. You must pay the rent. You must pay the rent today.
I can't pay the rent. I can't pay the rent. I can't pay the rent today.
You must pay the rent. You must pay the rent. You must pay the rent today.
I can't pay the rent. I can't pay the rent. I can't pay the rent today.
I'll pay the rent.
My hero.
Curses, foiled again.
Like the characters in this play, balancer, unbalancer, and rebalancer all are parts of one person. You, me, any of us. In the Art of Balance system, the counterpart to Snidely Whiplash is unbalancer. Unbalancer is a composite of all the forces that can throw our lives out of balance. The Dudley Do-Right part of each of us I call rebalancer. Rebalancer comes to the rescue when unbalancer gets the better of us. Balancer is equivalent to the part of Nell that most of the time keeps her out of Snidely's clutches. It's a part of each of us that keeps us balanced during our day-to-day ordinary stresses. Except when it can't, when unbalancer overwhelms us. Here's how balancer, unbalancer, and rebalancer interact with each other inside us. These illustrations show physical balance, but that's just a metaphor for life and emotional balance. Balancer operates in the background to maintain our equilibrium. Unbalancer trips us up. Rebalancer comes to the rescue. A stronger, wiser balancer keeps us stable again. In the next lecture, you'll get a closer look at these characters and how they play out in our lives. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there.